Hello viewers, welcome to HSM Tech. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Today I will show you how you can install Ubuntu in Windows, Ubuntu installation in Windows, local simulations on Windows, GCC installation and compilation, installing MPICH library for MPI simulations. What's Ubuntu? Ubuntu on Windows allows one to use Ubuntu terminal and run the Ubuntu command line utilities including bash, ssh, git, apt and many more. So installing Ubuntu, you have to go to store or you can download it from Google Chrome or anywhere you want. So on the search bar, you type Ubuntu. Here's the variants of the Ubuntu come. You have to download the latest variant Ubuntu 20.04. Here you see it is the launch button, but in your case it is here you have to see right install. I already installed it to save the time, so I launch it. Here you can see our terminal is open. So first of all, you have to run the GCC commands for the compilation of C or C++ codes. So our first command is sudo apt update write command. You can see it is ready to install the packages and all the packages installed. So next, now install the build essential packages. So write the command for installing the build essentials. Please keep in mind to write the right sentence. It is started to install the packages. Do you want to continue? Here press yes. Why only? It takes some time, so you have to wait until the installation is complete. So our next move is to run our code which we write in C or C++. So I write code in C, open the folder in which you place your file, go to the terminal, clear the screen. Here you have to write the command of this. GCC hello is the name of the file and .c is the file. in which you write the code. C or C++, here you can write dash O and hello. Dash O is for the object. GCC hello.c dash O hello. So it show you a error because you are in the root directory, not in that folder in which your file is placed. So it's mandatory to have in the folder where your file is placed. So in which folder you place your file, you have to go to this folder, and here's the you have to follow the relative path. So first of all, I will show you the folder list by pw command. You can see we are in the root. So from root I will move to mnt and C drive. Here you can see I move to C drive. Write cd and space and double tap on tab button. You can show here you can see the lists of the folders. I will move to proc where I placed my file. So I have to move on in which folder I place my file. cd proc. You have to which folder which you created and place your file in which folder. So next, how to run the file. Here are the two commands you have to write to run the code. Here you can see the output of my code. Welcome to HSM Tech. So it's about the GCC compilation of the C and C++ code. We further move to installing MPICH library for MPI simulations. So for this, you have to run the command sudo apt get install lib mpich dev. So go to the terminal, move to parent root directory, clear this screen. So you can see install the packages. Make a file. You can make a file of any name and write your code in that file. You can see I read that code, and you can access your file through these commands. First we move to the directory in which our file is placed. So I move to my folder where I place my file. So second command is mpexec-np4 is the processor. ./hello.out. Here you can see the output of my code. Here I completed my videos. If you like, please share and subscribe our channel and share this video.